Do you cringe at tax time? Or does the 80s hit, living on a prayer, come to mind anytime you have to look for a financial document? Would you even know where to look to start the recovery process after a disaster strikes? It may be time to get better organized. Okay, so step 1. Gather your financial records and documents. This may include account information for any bills you have, employment documents, previous tax documents, receipts for major purchases and home and auto repairs, rebate information, leases, insurance paperwork, medical records, and documentation for any assets that you have. Whew. For insurance purposes, it's also a good idea to make an inventory spreadsheet of everything in your home and take pictures throughout the rooms. Trust me, you hope to never need it, but if you do, you'll be happy that you've gotten this head start for the insurance company. Step 2, separate your documents into categories. The categories are up to you, but if you don't know where to start, I recommend keeping it simple. Step 3, don't be a pack rat. It is usually recommended that you keep paid bills and tax records for at least 3 years. Once a year, sit down and see if anything can be purged. If you're not sure, keep it or at least digitize it, which is a good practice for all your important financial documents. After you get organized, scan all your documents and save them in a secure, password-protected file. You can also save them on a flash drive and keep the drive somewhere safe, like a fireproof safe or a safety deposit box. Just be sure that someone you trust, knows about and has access to your files should anything happen to you. This should all be in your written will as well. Taking a few hours now to get organized will save you or your family days of stress in the future. So, I hope that helps. Be sure to check out our other videos for any of your financial questions.